doing, Ethan? You using Daddy's iPad?
Yeah, to see which is better. Dad asked me to search up on his iPad to see which is better, Mercury or Yamaha.
What, engine?
Yeah.
For the boat?
Yeah.
Which boat? The big one or small boat?
The big boat.
Yeah, why? You wanna buy a new engine?
We're looking.
So you look engine for Daddy?
I'm just looking.
Just looking?
I don't know if Dad even has the money, so how would you know?
Huh?
How would Dad even have the money right now?
So what are you looking up for?
He just told me to.
To have a look for him?
Yeah, to see which is better.
Oh, okay. You're so funny, Ethan.
I only see Mercury's with 175 horsepower right now. And the Yamaha's like have 200 and stuff.
It depends what you're looking at. Which shirt? I don't remember which shirt.
What's your name?
It's probably America, this. California.
Oh.
It's not here. Hmm? Looking overseas. That's what Devin was.